Hello student. Today I am going to discuss potential energy of a spring. What is potential energy? The energy acquired by a body due to change in its position or configuration is called potential energy. Actually, potential energy, it is energy means is work. This work is done against the system. As for example, to stress a spring, the work has to be done against the elastic force. So this work done is stored in the form of potential energy. So when the spring is pulled, the energy is stored in the spring as a potential energy. Now you see the diagram. So this is a spring is attached with a rigid support, and other end a block of mass m. The spring is massless spring. The spring is in equilibrium position. So this is the block of mass m attached with a massless spring placed on the horizontal smooth surface along x-axis. When the block is displaced from equilibrium position C through a through point P, then a restoring force is developed in the opposite direction of the displacement of the spring. So again I'm telling you, so C is the equilibrium position. So when the spring is pulled by a force, then spring is displaced through a displacement, then a restoring force F, you see the diagram, a restoring force F is developed in the spring in the opposite direction to the displacement of the spring. So displacement is towards right and restoring force is developed in the opposite direction. And C is the equilibrium position. According to Hooke's law, we have F is proportional to x. When getter is the force applied, getter is the displacement. So F, any proportion if you write as equal, we have to multiply it by a proportional constant. This proportional constant is in this case K, x. So where K is the constant of proportionality, K is constant of proportionality, and is known as spring constant. A negative sign, this negative sign indicates that restoring force acts in a direction opposite to the displacement just now I said. Let the block, here we are to calculate the work done. First we are taking the small force is applied, force when restoring force is applied, let the block is displaced through a small displacement, then small work will be done. So let the block is displaced through a small displacement dx, then small work done, then the small work done is given by F dx. So F equal to kx, just we are taking magnitude only, taking magnitude kx dx. So this work done, equation number 1, this work done in increasing the length x of the spring is obtained by integrating equation 1 between the limits x equal to 0 to x equal to x. So this work done, so this is the when the force applied, when a spring force is developed, when force is applied, the spring is displaced through a small displacement, the small work done dw f dx. So this is the small work done. We have to calculate the total work done for the displacement x. If the spring, you see the diagram, if the spring is displaced through a distance x, how much work is done? That one we have to calculate. So the small work done, so total work done will get by integrating equation 1. So total work done is obtained by integrating equation 1 between the limits x equal to 0 to x equal to x is given by integration of kx dx 0 to x. K is constant, taking the outside of the integration x dx. So integration of x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here x to the power x dx power is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So s square by 2, 0. Here upper limit x. Now we are putting upper limit k, x equal to x, s square by 2 minus lower limit 0, s replaced by 0, so 0 square by 2, w equal to k, so half k s square. So this work done is stored in the spring as a potential energy. This work done is stored in the spring. This work done is stored in the spring as a potential energy. Potential energy denoted by U equal to half k s square. Again I am telling you, considering a block of mass m is attached with a spring, with a massless spring placed on a horizontal smooth surface along x direction. C is this position of the block is in equilibrium position. There is no displacement, its equilibrium displacement is 0 now. So when the block is displaced through a displacement x, how much work is done, that one we have to calculate. So the spring is displaced through a small displacement, say dx, then a small work done. So again, when the spring is displaced, a restoring force is developed in the opposite direction of the displacement. Displacement is from C2 towards right, so restoring force developed towards left. According to Hooke's law, F equal to minus kx. So means force is directly proportional to the extension or displacement. So here k is called spring constant, and negative sign indicates that the restoring direction of restoring force in the opposite direction to the displacement. So a small work done through a small displacement dx is dw equal to f dx. Here we are putting the value of k value is value of f, small work done dw equal f dx, the value of f is kx. We are taking only magnitude, so f equal to kx. So this is the small work done. So we have to calculate total work done for the displacement x. If the spring is displaced through a displacement x, then how much work is done? The total work done is obtained by integrating this equation between the limits 0 to x. So we are integrating here, integrating 0 to x, kx dx. So integrate k is constant, integration x dx is s square by 2. So upper limit x, lower limit 0. If you put, so w equal to half k s square. So this work done is stored in the spring as a potential energy. So potential is denoted by U equal to half k s square. When the spring displaced through a displacement x, then energy stored in the spring is equal to half k s square, where k is spring constant. Thank you.